Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Aptech Knowledge. In this tutorial, we are going to see the list in HTML. So this is actually really simple. For using list, we have some tag and let me just show you. One is UL. UL means unordered list. And inside this UL, we write our list. And here we are going to write over here LI. UL has opening and the closing over here, and inside this UL we write our list. And let me just copy this and I'll paste it, let's say 2 times. And here let's say cat, then we'll see over here dog, and let's say the third one will be eagle. So right now if we save it, then we'll be able to see a list in our HTML web page. So let me just go to my browser and let me just refresh over here, and here you can see we have cat, dog and eagle, and before them we have this bold dot sign. So this is a way to make a unordered list. So let's say you want to make a order list, then order list means you want to add like 1 2 3 before the list. So for it, all you have to do is that you need to say over here OL instead of UL. Okay, so save, then refresh, and here you can see 1 2 and 3 over here. And let's say you want to like show like ABC over here, you can do that as well. So for it, inside this UL, we are going to say over here type, and let's say a smaller a. Save, and then let's refresh, and there you go, we can see ABC over here. And if you give over here capital A, save it, then refresh, you will see capital A. And you can also do the Roman. Let me just show you. If you give I, save it, then refresh, and here you will see something like this. You can also make them capital as well. For it, all you have to do is that you just keep to this capital I over here, save it, then refresh, and there you go. And there is one more thing, and that is you can make a list inside of a list as well. So for it, let's say inside this dog, let's say inside this dog we want to have another list for this dog. We can do that as well. For it, all we have to do is that we'll say over here OL, or you can also say UL, that's fine. Let's say UL opening and UL closing, and inside this UL we are going to mention a list. Let's say LI, let's say it will be husky. This is a dog breed, so copy, and there is another dog breed called bulldog. Let's over here bulldog. So right now if we save it, then refresh, and there you can see cat, dog, and we have two dog category. One is husky and one is bulldog. So you can do it this way as well. Now let's say you want to make a link for a list, you can do that as well. For making a list into a link, that is really simple. All you have to do is that here you can see a like cat, so we need to write this inside a anchor tag. So let me just open the anchor tag over here, and here this cat will go inside this anchor tag. Okay, so let me just write it like this so that you can understand it clearly. So you need to write it like this. Okay, inside the list you have to mention the anchor tag, and inside the anchor tag we'll write the cat. So save, then refresh, and if I now zoom in, here you can see cat option over here, which is turning to a link. Now let's go and here let's just give a link over here. Let's over here page2.html, save, refresh, and let me just zoom in, and if I click cat, here you can see it took us to the page 2. So this is how you can add link inside a list. So those are the basics of list. So this is all about this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we'll see about table in HTML. So thanks again for watching, and I would actually really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial.